One thing to expect with window replacement is that we're in your business for quite a few days. The exterior portion of the project will be fairly quick, but we need to get inside. We need to have access. For the most part, it's not real messy unless we're cutting away some type of like plaster interior, that kind of thing. And if we're cutting plaster, that means we screwed something up and we measured wrong, so that really shouldn't come into play. But there's going to be some dust, there's going to be some the guys going in and out, but we put down drop cloths and try to cover our messes that way. But we will be we need beds pulled back, we need dressers pulled back so that we have a few feet in front of that opening to make sure that we have enough room to get the old window out and get the new window in. But we vacuum after we're done and put down drop cloths to make sure that the mess is limited and that we're leaving your property in a better state than when we found it.